Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about comparing and ordering whole numbers through millions. You are going to learn it the easy way. But before we proceed to our lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Can we jog inside our house? Yes, we can because stationary jogging is essentially running or jogging in place. It is named stationary jogging because in reality, you haven't moved an inch from where you started even when you are on a treadmill, or it has registered that you have jogged a few miles. Still, you haven't moved an inch, right? I want you to know this, guys. Jogging in place can also be an effective way to burn calories even if you are inside your house. It also helps you to lose weight. And it is much easier to do than jogging outside or on a treadmill. And the fact that you can do it inside, you're going to be away from the heat of the sun during summer, the cold in winter, and most especially, the infection from COVID-19 during this pandemic time. The objective of our lesson is to compare and order whole numbers through millions. Let us study the symbols of comparison and their meanings. The red symbol where the mouth is facing to the left means greater than, more than, bigger than, or larger than. The green symbol where the mouth is facing to the right means lesser than, fewer than, or smaller than. The two parallel lines which are horizontal means equal to or same as. Always remember the mouth of an alligator. The mouth will always face the bigger number. Remember this so that you're not going to be confused. The mouth of an alligator will always eat the bigger number. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write less than, greater than, or equal to make the statement true. Let us compare 234,596 with 234,956. Whenever we are comparing numbers, we need to look for the biggest place value first. So, in this case, we are on the hundreds thousands place. The 234,000 are the same, but the hundreds place are different. You can see that 956 is bigger than 596. So, the mouth will face the number on the right. 234,596 is less than 234,956. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Let us compare 23,765,009 with 23,764,009. You can see right away that 23,765,000 is bigger than 23,764,000. So, remember the mouth of the symbol will always face the bigger value. Therefore, 23,765,009 is bigger than 23,764,009. Let us work on another example so that you can catch it well. Let us compare 435,987 with 435,987. You can see that the numbers are the same. So we are going to put equal sign. Therefore, 435,987 is the same as 435,987. Now you know how to compare numbers. It is very easy, right? Let us work on this example so that you will be guided on ordering numbers. Order the number from greatest to least. The numbers are 234,596, 234,190, 234,654, and 234,556. We are going to arrange the numbers starting from the biggest going to the smallest. So, the 234,000 are all the same. The difference will be from the hundreds place only. So, we can arrange now the biggest going to the smallest. The biggest number on the hundreds place is 654. So, the first number on the set of data is 234,654. We have two numbers on the 500s place. That is 596 and 556. So, 596 is bigger than 556. The next number on the series is 234,596. The next number will be 556 and the last one will be 190. Therefore, the number from the greatest to the least are arranged as follows: 234,654, 234,596, 234,556, and 234,190. It is easy. What if we are going to arrange the numbers from least to greatest? It is the opposite of the previous question. We are going to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So, it is the same step. We are going to check the first number. All the numbers are in the hundred thousands place. So, we're going to check which one is the smallest. The first number is 531,000. The next is 967,000. Then 432,000 and 765,000. You can easily identify the smallest number. By just looking at the hundred thousands place, you can identify the smallest, which is 432,180. Then the next is the 531,987. The next one is 765,437, and the biggest is 967,432. This lesson is very easy, right? Just check very well the numbers, then read very well the question. If it is from least to greatest, arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. If it is from greatest to least, arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay? Check the number very well so that you're not going to commit mistakes. To wrap it up, just remember the symbol, or better check the alligator's mouth. Wherever the alligator's mouth is facing, that is the greater number. So, in this case, if it is the red symbol, the mouth is facing to the left, it is greater than, more than, bigger than, or larger than. If the mouth is facing to the right, which is the green symbol, it is less than, fewer than, or smaller than. The equal sign means the same as or equal to. In this example, the first number, which is on the left, is bigger than the number on the right. So, the mouth is facing the left. To order the number from greatest to least, we're going to start from the biggest number going to the smallest number. And in ordering number from least to greatest, we're going to start from the smallest number going to the biggest number. Let us continue our discussion about stationary jogging. Aerobic exercise like jogging or stationary jogging improves our body's ability to deliver oxygen to our muscles. It also helps our muscles to become more efficient at using that oxygen. The more we exercise it, the better our heart works, and this reduces the risk of heart attack. I want you to listen very well. Running every day may have some health benefits. Just simply find a suitable spot within your home and make sure you have enough space to lift your knees in cyclical motion. Jog in place for segments of 5 to 10 minutes before briefly resting for 60 seconds. If you decided to start that stationary jogging, it doesn't mean you need to run from room to room for hours every day. It is important to still put on your running shoes to give your feet and legs the proper support. Then, either jog in place, in front of the TV, or in front of your bed. Okay? Now guys, I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We always need to give importance to our education. In case you have confusion on some part of our lesson, I want you to go back, revise it again, watch it again slowly, carefully, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negative into positive. I took some information about stationary jogging on joggingexercise.com. You can check it out there. I want you guys to score high in math. Then be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Always be safe. Bye-bye.